how to reset Citizens Bank password. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just get started. You can open up any of the browser available and you can access the Citizens Bank mobile banking, which is this one right here. You can go to their website or even download the application available. And once you are there, you will be finding this particular interface right here. You can look out for the login option in the top right and tap on it and go to the login page and select a secure login, like for which account you are trying to log in. So for personal or business, you can tap on personal business, or you can expand it up and select the type of account you are logging in for. After that, tap on login and you should be taken to the login page right here. And here in this page, you can reset your Citizens Bank password. So you may scroll down and you can find the section where you need to enter up your user ID and then password in order to log in into Citizens Bank. But if you do not remember or if you'd like to reset your Citizens Bank password, you can even find a section called Trouble Logging In / Password Change. So you can find that option on your screen as well and tap on it. And then you will be taken to the another page where you can reset your password. So open it up and wait for this page to load up, and you can select why would you like to reset. You can select one of the reason. After that, tap on next, and once you tap on next, you can select what kind of account it is. For example, personal account. Tap on next, and then you can go ahead and enter up your social security number or your tax ID number. After that is entered, enter up your date of birth and tap on next. And once it is completed, you may just go ahead and reset your Citizens Bank password. And once it is reset, you can head back to the main login page and enter up your credentials, your password, and your user ID. And basically access the Citizens Bank after that. So therefore, if you'd also like to log in a reset into Citizens Bank password, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.